Hello, my name is Joshua. Welcome back to my channel. Today, well, actually, more like a few days ago, we got a brand new tractor, and I've made this video once already. I tried to make it, and I just now went to go and upload it to YouTube, but I couldn't find the file. I couldn't find the video that I made, so I'm remaking the video. I made that video a few days ago. I just never been able to. I just hadn't been able to post it up yet. But anyway, so here we are. This new tractor we got, it's about the same size as our old tractor. Actually, I don't know if you guys have seen our old tractor yet, but after I'm done going over this tractor, then we will look at our old one. Our old one doesn't really work that well anymore. It's just really old. So we decided to get a new one. So yeah, our new orange tractor. It's not a pretty pink tractor. It's a Kubota. I have no clue what that means. I know what Kubota means. It's a company, of course. Duh. Who wouldn't know that? Yeah, this tractor, I don't know how to work it really at all. I'm afraid to touch anything too technical because I might break something. And oh boy, I'll get in trouble if I broke something. I know what this is in the front. It's a post driver. You can, ram T-post down into the ground with this thing. You attach it to here, I think. And then, yeah, you can take that, hook it on to there. Yeah. Oh, dang it, my battery's running out. I'll have to do this video quick. Yeah, so we can go up here and look at this tractor. Nice tires. Pull myself up here. Yeah. Seated down. Ooh, someone left the keys in the ignition. Whoopsies. Get that. Okay, there. Yeah, someone left the keys in the... Are these two keys that are the exact same, identical? These keys look identical. Yeah, I think they're identical. Huh, cool. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know what this does. Let me see. Ansung, what does Ansung means? It says Ansung on there. I don't know what any of this means on here. I think this is like forward, backward, side, whatever. I don't know what any of this does. My dad said he'll probably teach me a while later, sometime. Okay, this thing, whatever. I think there's neutral, forward, reverse. I know what that means. Yeah, horn, maybe horn. I don't know. Yeah, that is how my knowledge is of a tractor. There's fast, slow, I'm assuming. I would put it in slow mode because after the turtle did win. Yeah, it's a nice tractor. Has a nice little shade here to hide me from the rain, if there's any rain. Last time I filmed this video, actually, it was rainy and wet. It was raining a few days ago. So yeah, this video should hopefully turn out better because last video, when I tried filming this, but I couldn't find the file for it, it was raining all over the place. So let's get off this tractor and put the keys back. Then after that, we're gonna go take a look at our old tractor. This is also gonna be a short vlog type video. So yeah, put the keys back. I think I'll just put them on the seat that way because I know sometimes keys in ignition can drain the power. Yeah, grab this and then come down. Alright, so yeah, let's go over to where our previous tractor is. I don't know what we're going to do with that tractor, but yeah, I'll show you guys that one. Alright, so here's our old tractor here. As you can see, it's much older than our new Kubota. I don't even know what kind of tractor this is. It's like a Mass Ferguson. Probably an old company. Yeah, this tractor, it's rusted. It's really rusty. Its seat is not new seat. Definitely can tell that. I've actually been on this tractor before, operated it, because this tractor can connect to our sawmill back here, so we can connect to the sawmill that we have. I don't know if I don't think I've shown you guys our sawmill. Yeah, I can connect to the sawmill. The engine spins the sawmill blade, so we can cut logs and stuff. Yeah, old tractor. It might still be able to do that. I don't know yet, but yeah, our tractor way back behind the house. New tractor. It's a good tractor. Probably better than this one because we were in need of a new tractor. I mean, every homestead or farm needs a good tractor. So yeah, that's it. All I have for you guys today. You know what? Actually, I'll get up in this seat. Definitely hard to get up in this thing too. Oh boy. Yeah, it's a lot more inconvenient than the previous shown tractor. Yeah, man, it's been a while since I've been in this thing. What does this thing do? I used to know. This thing's like the choke. This. Goodness, I do not know. Yeah, I used to know. I used to know some of the controls of this thing, but that was years ago when I was operating a sawmill with my dad. So yeah. Anyway, hold on a minute. I don't know. Maybe I showed the sawmill in one of my old videos that I posted years ago, back when I was doing Steam It. Again, before that. Anyway, whatever. That's it for today. If you're viewing me on YouTube, then give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the bell icon and go to the all setting for the bell icon. That will it'll notify you basically whenever I post a new video or more content comes out on my channel. If you're viewing me on Steam or Hive, give me a upvote, follow, re-steam, and share this post. And other than that, I'll see you next time. See ya!